Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today you'll listen to an English story about Tom and Emma spending the day at a shopping mall. Listen and imagine you're there with them. Let's get started.
This parking lot is huge.
Yeah. I forgot how big American malls are.
We've been driving around for 5 minutes already.
At least we found a spot close to the entrance.
True. I didn't want to park outside.
Especially with all these shopping bags later.
You're already planning to buy a lot?
I'm just being realistic.
Fair enough. That entrance looks busy.
It's Saturday afternoon. Of course it's crowded.
I can already see the food court upstairs.
We just got here, and you're thinking about food.
I skipped lunch for this trip.
That explains a lot.
Alright. Where do you want to go first?
I want to check the cosmetics store.
The big one near the center?
Yeah. I heard they carry new brands now.
I'll probably skip that store.
I expected that answer.
Makeup stores take forever.
That's because there are too many choices.
Exactly my point.
You can go somewhere else meanwhile.
Sounds good. I want to see the sneaker stores.
Okay. We can meet again later.
Maybe near the food court?
Perfect. That'll make dinner easier too.
What time should we meet?
Maybe around 6?
Works for me.
Don't get lost in the sports section.
I was about to say the same thing.
All right. See you later. Good luck finding shoes in your size. Wow. This store is packed today.
Welcome. Let me know if you need any help.
Thanks. I'm looking for a new foundation.
Sure. Do you usually prefer light coverage or full coverage?
Probably somewhere in the middle.
Okay. What skin type do you have?
My skin gets dry pretty easily.
Then I'd recommend something more hydrating.
That sounds good.
This brand has been really popular lately.
There are so many shades here.
I can help you find a match.
I'd appreciate that.
Let's test a few colors first.
Should I try them on my hand?
You can, but your jawline usually works better.
Oh, I didn't know that.
The color looks more natural there.
That makes sense.
This shade blends into your skin really well.
Yeah. I can barely see it now.
That's usually a good sign.
This one feels much lighter too.
A lot of people like the texture.
I think I like this one best.
Good choice. We also have a smaller size.
Oh, that's helpful.
It's great for trying new products.
I'll take the smaller one then.
Perfect. I'll grab one for you.
Excuse me. Do you have these sneakers in size 11?
Let me check the back for you.
Thanks.
Unfortunately, we're sold out right now.
Seriously? I've seen these everywhere online.
They've been selling very quickly this week.
That's disappointing.
We might get more next Friday.
That's too bad. I won't be here next week.
Sorry about that.
It's alright. Do you have another color?
We still have the black version available.
Can I see those?
Sure. I'll bring them out.
These actually look pretty nice.
A lot of customers prefer this color.
Yeah. The white ones looked harder to keep clean.
That's true.
Alright. I think I'll buy these.
Great. You can check out over there.
Wait. Where's my phone?
Did you leave it near the bench earlier?
Maybe. I tried on shoes over there before.
You should probably check quickly.
Yeah. 1 second.
I hope it's still there.
Okay, good. I found it.
That was fast.
It slipped between the seats somehow.
At least nobody took it.
Seriously. That could have been a disaster.
I'm glad you found it.
Me too. I need to be more careful.
Shopping bags make everything harder to carry.
That's definitely true today.
All right. Your total is on the screen.
Thanks.
Have a great rest of your day.
There you are.
Finally. This mall is way too big.
Did you find what you wanted?
Yeah. The store clerk helped me a lot.
Did you buy anything?
Just a small foundation for now.
Only one thing?
Makeup gets expensive very quickly.
Fair point. I bought sneakers.
Nice. Did you get the pair you wanted?
Not exactly. My size was sold out.
That's annoying.
I ended up buying the black version instead.
Honestly, black sounds more practical anyway.
That's what I thought too.
Did anything else happen?
I almost lost my phone earlier.
Seriously?
Yeah. It slipped between some seats.
That sounds stressful.
I noticed pretty quickly though.
Good. Losing your phone here would be terrible.
Especially in a place this crowded.
At least everything worked out.
Alright. I'm getting hungry now.
Same here. The food court smells amazing.
What do you want to eat?
Maybe burgers or tacos.
I saw a ramen place upstairs too.
Really? That sounds tempting.
Why don't I order the food?
Okay. I'll look for a table meanwhile.
Good idea. Finding seats might take time.
Yeah. This place is packed right now.
Text me if you find a spot.
All right. I'll stay near the windows.
Perfect. I'll be back soon.
Don't forget the drinks.
I almost forgot already.
That's exactly why I mentioned it.
Okay. 2 drinks. Got it.
Thanks. I'll go find us a table.
Alright. See you in a few minutes.
Good luck surviving the line.
You too. Good luck finding seats.
I think I found a small table.
Nice timing. I just got the food.
That tray looks heavy.
The drinks almost fell twice.
I'm glad you made it safely.
Here's your ramen.
Thanks. That smells really good. This ramen is actually pretty good.
Yeah. The broth tastes really rich.
Shopping all day takes real energy.
Especially in a mall this large.
Yeah. We walked a lot today.
Still, this was pretty fun.
Yeah. I'd come back here again.
Maybe next time we should arrive earlier.
And maybe wear more comfortable shoes.
That's probably smart.
Especially after buying new ones today.
How was the story? Did you enjoy listening? Now, here is today's question. Why was Tom disappointed at the sneaker store? Did you catch the answer? If you did, try writing it in English. Small practice like this helps you improve step by step. I will share more simple English stories like this. So if you enjoyed it, feel free to follow along. Thanks for listening today. See you in the next lesson.